everyone. Today we will talk about how to cut a chicken. If you're not living in a country where you have easy access to sliced chicken, you'll usually get the chicken in this form. So today let's see how to cut this into pieces really easy. First thing is to peel off the skin. I would truly recommend, if you have a sink with flowing water, just keep the chicken below it. Done. Just make sure you remove all the fat. To understand the chicken, basically let's go by the parts. First thing what you have to do is, this is the really thin layer, just pull it off with your hands on the both sides. Remove this as well because this is all fat, and then we will just break the chicken into half here. Okay, we have easy 2 pieces. This is like, you can just do it with hand. Now there will be some dirt here and here. I'll just clean it and bring it back. Make sure you remove all the red areas. Okay, I have cleaned it. This is the breast part. One thing is, if you see, this is the head. I'll just tuck the head inside. Okay, and then I'll just twist it. Okay, once I twist it, some people use it but I don't, so I'm just removing it. This is waist now. Let's just cut the leg part, and this is the tail card. Just make an easy slit. This is quite easy because these are all connecting joints. Cut off the tail part, just discard it. On this line, so this is the thigh, this is the leg. We'll just separate these two from each other. If you see there is a line here, just cut across it. Make a slight slit, and then you can just break it like this, and you will see that both of the bones are separated with the ligaments. You are not cutting across the bone, you're just separating them. So now you have this one piece ready, and then there'll be like 2 pieces here. You just tuck it and you'll see that the bone is separated. Cut across the bone. Okay, 2 pieces done. You repeat the same process. Okay, just break. There you go. Same thing again. It's somewhere here. It's broken. Okay, easy slit in the middle. So one thing is, we'll just hold the chicken like this and break it again. Press it firmly against the board and put a knife and then hit it hard. That's it. We have 2 parts separated. Now same thing here. We'll remove this. You can see that this bone is separated. The breast piece somehow. Okay, for the wings it's the same thing. You again tuck it here. There is a separation between these. I usually do not take the end part, so I'll just discard this and I'll take this. Okay, now you can see that this is a really clean breast piece. You can remove this bone if you would like, or just keep it. It's up to you. This is waist. Now we'll do the same procedure here. Just remove it, separate it from the breast. Now these are like really clean breast pieces, so if you need this for another preparation, you can separate it. But if you just are going to add it into the same curry, just make it into pieces. If you have not separated the bone below, you might have to hit a little hard to be able to cut across the bone. Okay. You can see like there are layers of breast. Repeat the process. Now because we've removed bone here, it's quite easy. This is the end product. As you can see, we've got all the pieces nice and clean, and this is like really soft. Thank you for watching.
Please like, share and comment any recipes that you would want us to make. Like our videos. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Take care.